everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Alishia if you're new to my channel. If you're not new to my channel, thank you for coming back. So today I'm reviewing this beautiful water wave wig I got from Celie hair. They sent me this beautiful wig. This is my second time working with them. It is beautiful. It is beautiful from root to tip, baby. It's giving very full. It's everything I want in a wig. And guess what? No baby hairs today. No baby hair today. Yes, so this wig is beautiful. I love it so much. If you guys want to see me unbox this video and install it, please continue to watch. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and like, comment, and subscribe to my video. And let's go ahead and get started. All right, you guys, so let's go ahead and get right into it. This is what the box will look like. It says Celie hair on the box. Beautiful purple box with the gold writing. I love. Let's go ahead and open this up and I'll show you everything that comes inside. So you're going to get this baggie that will hold your wig inside, a bonnet, wig caps, comb, 2 clips, baby hairbrush, a headband, leopard print headband, lashes, these look good, and a card with all their hair care, all their social medias in here as well. All right, and lastly, you're going to get the wig. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the net off of there. You got some tissue and some foam. All right, so we have a 13 by 4, 20-inch water wave, and it is looking and feeling good. So inside it's going to look like this. It is a frontal. It has the 4 clips, left, right, middle, and then the bottom corner. We also have adjustable straps in there. It does look like it is pre-plucked. We got some baby hairs in there as well. This hair feels beautiful. There is no parting, like they don't have a part for you already. You can part it wherever you like, or you could do like a flip over if you don't want any parting at all, which is nice. But this hair feels good and it looks good. I don't know if you guys can see the quality on camera, but this hair is giving. It is giving. All right, so I'm going to go in and put some foundation on the lace, and I'll show you guys me plucking it just a little bit more. I'll probably just throw some water and mousse on here so you guys can see this hair just a little bit more defined, but it just looks so beautiful already. It really does. It looks really good. But all right, I'll see you guys in a second. Okay, so we are done styling this hair. Today, I actually decided not to do any baby hair. Y'all proud of me? How I'm looking? How I'm looking? This side looks better than this side, I ain't even gonna lie. I ain't even gonna lie. But she looking good though. She looking good though. So yeah, so pretty much I just put some foundation on the lace. I put some foundation on the parting, cut the extra lace off, and just hot combed the hair backwards. Then I put some water in it with a little bit of mousse, and she's looking good. She's looking good. She's like 80% dry. I did go in with a blow dryer and try to dry it out real quick. She's looking good. Hold on, let me show you. It goes right to the, I won't say like the middle, but the lower part of my back. Yeah, she's looking good. Let me get a close-up on the ends for you guys. The ends look really good. I'm really liking this water wave, honestly. I'm about to keep her on for the rest of the day because she is worthy. You hear me? She worthy. This wig is from Celie Hair, and I love it. Just like I love the first one I reviewed. It is beautiful. The lace is laid. She is looking good. This is definitely vacation hair. I would wear this on vacation. This is giving me, I'm ready for the ocean, the water, swimming with the dolphins. Maybe if I got the right lace glue on, you know, this is definitely giving me vacation hair for sure. But yes, so I really enjoyed this one. I really did. She cute or whatever. And I didn't cut no layers or nothing in this one. But if you want to, you could definitely layer it up. But yes, she is beautiful. You can see she's a little bit more wet back here. Definitely a little bit more wet, but she is full from the roots to the ends, and I love that part. That's all I can ask for. A full head of hair for my big old head. Thank you. Okay, so that is the end of the video. Thank you again for coming to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.